My name's Davie Ross and I'm an assembly technician here at ODX Innovations. ODX is a relatively new company and they are producing a medical device which is going to give point of care assistance with which antibiotics to prescribe to UTIs. The ODX mission is to make cost-effective medical devices which are going to be at the top of the market. Well, when I started here on the 11th of February, this room was just an empty room. And as you can see when you look around now, it's full of equipment and we've started manufacturing the disc. The consumables that we use for the disc is all assembled in here and then put through to the laboratory to do trials. ODX is a very enjoyable place to work. I've been made to feel very welcome from day one. They're very supportive, they encourage you, they have great teamwork ethic, and yeah, I love it, absolutely love it. Absolutely. Like I said, they're very supportive and they encourage you with regards to making suggestions, being innovative, and yeah, absolutely great. I feel that with regards to ODX, everybody's focused, they know where they want to be, and hopefully that's where we're going to go.